The Abuja division of the appeal court is filled with political party members from Plateau State, lawyers and journalists who have turned out for the judgment in the appeals filed by the All Progressives Congress and its candidate, Mr. Nentawe Goshwe, against the election of Governor Caleb Mutfwang of Plateau State. This is coming about a week after the three-member panel reserved its judgment in the appeals brought before it on October 10, 2023 by the appellants who are challenging the victory of Governor Mutfwang on the ground that the latter was not qualified to have contested the March 18, 2023 election because he was not validly sponsored and nominated by his political party, the People's Democratic Party, PDP. An election tribunal sitting in Plateau State had struck out the petitions of the appellants on the grounds that the issue of lack of structure by the PDP in Plateau State and whether Governor Mutfwang was sponsored by his party or not were internal party affairs and that they were also pre-election matters. However, the Court of Appeal on resumption set aside a judgment of the tribunal, describing it as highly incompetent. Delivering the lead judgment, Justice Elfreda Williams Dawodo noted that under Section 134C of the Electoral Act and Section 177 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, it is the sole right of the political party to sponsor its candidate, having met the necessary requirements to do so. The panel held that the PDP violated a court order that a valid Congress be conducted in the 17 local government areas of Plateau State by conducting Congress in only 5 local government areas of the state, and as such is a nullity. While evoking Section 136 of the Electoral Act, the court ordered INEC to retrieve the certificate of return issued to Governor Mutfwang and issue a fresh one to the candidate of the All Progressives Congress, APC, Mr. Nentawe Goshwe. Agreeing with the judgment, Justice Okon Abang said, unless the PDP resolves its issues in Plateau State, it will always suffer self-inflicted misfortune.
We are very, very happy with the judgment. We listened to it with rapt attention. It covered so many areas. We advise members of the public to please read the judgment first before some people begin to have negative views of it.
But the counsel to PDP feels differently.
Today in the judgment, we did not hear anything about nomination. Everything that was said in this court today was about sponsorship. And of course, we know that when you mention sponsorship, it could be pre-election or post-election. But when you talk about nomination, the courts do not have any jurisdiction to entertain it as a post-election matter.
While the appellants savour their victory, this judgment may not be the end of the road for Governor Caleb Mutfwang as he can appeal to the Supreme Court. Emperor Simon, Channels Television News.